Good morning, you guys. It is what, 6:30 something? Chance is up. He wants some water, so. You want some more? Okay, lay back down. Okay. I haven't been to sleep yet because I was doing some editing on that first vlog. So, yeah. But I'm about to. Chance took off his clothes when he got here. They got back last night, so yeah. I'm about to go to sleep because I'm not about to be staying up 24 hours. Even though I've done it plenty of times, but not today. So I'll catch y'all on the flip side. So I'm out the tub. I be taking a long bath, I'm not gonna lie. I be soaking for like 2 hours. What time is it? It's what, 3? I think it's 3 o'clock. I was in the tub at what, 1? Yeah. Once I get in that tub and relax, it's done with. I'm in there for 2 hours tops. Especially if my phone is charged. But I'm about to clean up. It looks a mess. I'm not gonna even show y'all because it looks terrible. It looks terrible. I think I'm gonna keep that right there, yeah, y'all can see. All these dishes, oh my god, I don't even know where to start at. What's your chance?
Hey, Black. Hey, Black. Hey, Black.
Shit, I can't even tell you because all the clubs I've been to are 21 and up. Because all the places I've been to that's 18 and up be like pool halls, lounges, bars. Because there's some that's like 18 to enter, 21 to drink. But and then they have that like. So I know some bars, if you're like under 21, they put like a big ass X on your hand so you can't order drinks.
And that's like the high class ones. Or they check your ID at the door. I didn't know Prospect is 21 up too.
What is?
Either Prospect or
Prospect is. Prospect is 21 and up?
they check your ID.
Oh, that's what we was at.
Prospect and the address.
Oh, I know the address is 21 and up. That was another cast of call I was looking for is the address. I don't care about the outfits. I care about making money.
I do not like that outfit.
As long as you look good, it'll make the outfit look good.
I ain't gonna want to work if I don't look good. But yeah.
I said about every job I applied to, like jobs like this, or like Twin Peaks, Hooters, Bombshells. It's like, I don't care about the uniform. I just want to make some money.
The uniforms really not even cute, to be honest.
Which one?
None of them.
Oh.
I feel like the Hooters one is probably the cutest one. Because it's just like, Casual, like little shorts.
See, I
still
would
got
go
my
apply there,
uniform.
but I got tattoos that I'm not covering up and wasting makeup.
You can't have
They said
You got
the girls
tattoos
can't
on
have
your
tattoos.
You got tattoos on your arm?
I got
no,
a tattoo
that
right
can't
here.
be true.
I got a tattoo right here, a big ass tattoo on my leg.
Tuck it in.
No, that's not true.
It is true.
Ah, yeah, it
Bro,
is.
that must be true for other areas, because this little one right here that's close to my school, my friend worked there, she has tattoos. Like, that was tattoos. All of these.
Do they still say girls
Is
can't
her
get
cover
box
up?
braids and stuff?
Oh, yeah, now that's still a rule for sure.
No box
Did she
braids?
cover it
But I had to take
See,
mine.
I can't do it.
Oh, I'm finna show you.
That's why I wanted to work at Twin Peaks, because they don't care. They don't care about your tattoo. They don't care about box braids. They just can't be straight back braids.
Looking like Cleo.
You can't have space buns. You can't have half up, half down. It has to be. It has to be down. What?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, that's the only thing I hate about Hooters. I cannot wear my hair up. I'm like,
So even if it's hot as
I
fuck,
gotta twist my hair
sweating.
every day. Oh, soon as it hit 11, no, I was putting my hair up.
That's why I was like, I'd rather work night shift than day shift. I'm not a morning person. I'm be late every day if I work day shift.
See, like at Hooters, day shift was only good when it was football season.
So I think Twin Peaks do like every sport you could think of. They do games for every single sport. They say they get packed in football, basketball, baseball, finals, playoffs.
When Mayweather fought Pacquiao, I made like
Oh yeah, that UFC fight.
$700 within those 2 days.
Why are you scared?
300.
Oh, I'm just kidding. But I'm kidding.
What was the name? I got that same shit. What's the name guy?
She said, what's her name?
Celebrity. Wait, that social.
Oh,
Social.
He's not
Oh,
gonna
Summer
lie.
Walker. She took a picture like this.
So, the casting was good. I should be hearing. But again, this vlog is short because I didn't do anything. I didn't even go make groceries. However, the boys are by my mom's house. So, I got the night to myself again. Yeah. So, I'm about to eat on this McDonald's. I got me a Big Mac. I got me large fry and some nuggets. But it look cute too. It's fine going. Even though it's cold as hell. So yeah. I'll talk to y'all later.